Welcome to Acadmea. Your journey to exam success starts here. In this video, we'll walk you through the team management section. From the sidebar menu, navigate to Team Management and click on Sub-Admins. Here, you can view and manage all your sub-admins as well as create new ones. To create a sub-admin, click on Add Sub-Admin. Enter the required details such as name, address, phone number, and department. Then assign a role and click on Create Sub-Admin. The newly created admin will appear in the list. Next, move to the Roles and Permissions section. Here you can manage existing roles or create a new one. To create a role, click on Add Role, enter the role name, and description is optional. Then select the permissions you want to assign to this role and click on Create Role. Your newly created role will be listed here. And that's how you can create sub-admins and manage roles and permissions in Acadmea. Transform your exam preparation with Acadmea.